Today we will discuss about usermod and userdel command. There are several options in usermod command. Usermod command is basically used to modify something in our existing user. We will test some of the options in this session. Let me log in my virtual machine. I have logged in as a root user. So first I need to create one user. In our last video we will discuss about user add command. So my username is Harry. Okay, the home directory Harry is already exists, that's why it is not allowed to create a user a name with Harry. So I need to give some other name. I'm going to give a name uh, Robin. Okay, yeah. So let's check whether the user is created or not. Etc passwd. In this file we can see at the end, end of the file, our user Robin is created. To be more precise, we can filter this command like this way. Grave on Robin. We can see that our user is created. Now we will modify this user with some options. So first option is to add a comment in this user. So my user is Robin. We can see that there is no comment is there. So now I am going to add one comment. Usermod -c. I am giving a comment test user and then username. Then if I check the user, we can see that one comment is come in the picture, that is this is a test user. So it's basically tell us that what is the purpose of this user whenever we create a user. So it is a very important comment for a system admin. So system admin can are able to understand that what is the purpose of this user. Now let's go to the next option. Next option is if I want to change the home directory of my user Robin. So right now the home directory is home Robin. Now I want to give the Tom user home directory in our Robin user. So Robin user also use the Tom user home directory. User mod -d home Harry Robin. Again let's check. Sorry, I used the Harry user home directory. There is one user is Harry, sorry, my mistake. So we can see that our perspective is completed, that previously the home directory of the Robin user is home/Robin. Now it changed and it's become home/Harry. Now go to the next option. Our next option is, it is also a very important command option, sorry, for our admin, that we can set a expiry date of the user. So sometime some user we need to create for certain period of time. On that case, we can set expiry date of that user. So by default, that user will be expire after that date. So user mod hyphen e. I'm going to set 2025 02 and 18. Robin is my username. Now, if I see chh-l, this is the command to check Robin user. You can see the account will be expire on 18 February 2025. Let's go to the next option. Our next option is change the group name of our user. So if I check now, so now presently the group name is Robin. Now I want to change the group name. Usermod hyphen g. I want to change it to Harry group. Harry Robin. Sorry, I gave a wrong command. Actually, user bot. Now if I check our Harry user again, we can see the group is changed. Previously group was Robin, now group is Harry. Let's now our next option is to how to log a user. It is also a very important option. It's mostly used by the system admin to log some user. So before use this command, I want to show you something in our shadow file cat etc shadow. Here we can see that Robin user is present, but there is no password there because when I create this Robin user, I didn't set any password. So now I am going to set a password for this Robin user. Robin. I am going to give a very simple password, that is 1234. That's why it is showing it is a very bad password. Okay, but I am doing for testing purpose. Obviously, this is not a good practice for any production server. 1234. Now, if I am going to check again in our shadow file, we can see that the password in encrypted form is present. So there is no exclamation sign in this user. But if I'm going to log this user, user mod capital A and then the username Robin, then we can see that one exclamation sign is come to the picture. That means this user is logged. So now our next command is how to unlock the user. To unlock the user, we need to use capital U, and now if I check again, the exclamation sign is gone. That means the user is unlocked. So this will be our next command, next option, that to unlock the user. So this is the end of our video in our, but I am going to show you that how to delete the user Robin. There is only a simple command userdel. There are also some option for this command. If you want to see the option, just comment in the comment box. I will make another video, and we will discuss about the option of userdel. But simply if we use userdel command and then we give the username, that is Robin, it will press enter, and after press enter the user will gone. But one message is come that group Robin is not removed. That means the group is not removed, only the user is removed. We will discuss it in our next video when we discuss about group. On that video we will discuss about the primary group, secondary group and all that things. But if you check in our shadow file, you can see the user is gone. But if you check in in our group file, you can see the group is present. So that we will discuss. So this conclude the video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and comment if you have any doubt. Thank you.